In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and share files with your team in Slack. Let's get started right inside Slack. First, open the app or the web client and head to the workspace where you collaborate. Choose the channel where you want to share your file. Picking the right channel matters because everyone in that channel will see your file and the context around it, and it keeps the conversation organized for your team. Before you post, it can help to double check who's in the channel. Open the members panel to review the list of participants. This is especially useful if you're sharing something sensitive or time-bound and want to make sure the right people will be notified. Once you've confirmed the audience, close the panel to get back to the message composer. Now let's attach the file. In the message area at the bottom, click the plus button. This opens Slack's file picker and sharing options. You'll see a section for recent files you've worked with. Go ahead and take a look at your recent files. This can save time if you're resharing something you just edited or downloaded. If what you need isn't there, switch to uploading from your computer. Choose Upload from your computer, then select the file on your device. Slack supports a variety of formats like PDFs, images, documents, and spreadsheets, and it will generate a handy preview for many of them. With the file attached, click into the message box and add a short description. For this demo, we'll just type "file," but in practice, write a clear caption that explains what the file is, why you're sharing it, and any action you're asking teammates to take. Clear context reduces back and forth and helps people jump in faster. Next, decide when to send it. If the timing matters, you can schedule your post. Click Schedule for later. You'll see quick options such as sending it tomorrow at 9 o'clock a.m. or next Monday at 9 o'clock a.m. There's also a custom time option for precise scheduling if you're coordinating across time zones or aligning with a meeting. Explore those choices so you know what's available. When you're done viewing the menu, click outside it to close without scheduling. For this walkthrough, we'll share the file immediately, so click Send now. Your file and message are posted to the channel. Once the file appears in the conversation, Slack will show a preview. If it's a long document or a code snippet, use the inline expand control to open more of it right in the thread. This is great for quick scans without leaving the channel. If you need full detail, choose to see it in full. Slack will open a dedicated viewer so you can scroll, search, or zoom as needed. When you're finished, collapse the preview to keep the thread compact. If you made a mistake or shared the wrong file, you can remove it quickly. Open the three-dot menu on your message to reveal more actions. Select Delete Message, then confirm by clicking Delete. That retracts the post from the channel. Keep in mind that deletions may be limited by your workspace's policies, and some content might still be visible to admins depending on retention settings. That's the full workflow. Pick the right channel, confirm the audience, attach your file, add helpful context, choose whether to schedule or send now, use previews to review, and delete if you need to correct something. A few closing tips to make this even smoother. Keep file names descriptive so they're easy to find later, and add a brief summary in your message so teammates understand the purpose at a glance. If scheduling isn't available, it may be disabled by your organization. And if your file is very large, consider compressing it or sharing a cloud link with the right permissions. With these steps, you'll keep your Slack channels tidy, informative, and easy for your team to follow.